close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. lost my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
That's good.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns shadows till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
That's good. Alright everybody, here we are, and guess what? We have actually started our journey with this Paytm project, but again, as soon as I just got the thing started, I just started facing the bugs and all kind of new challenges, and I had to figure out the solution and for them, and that is kind of done. There's gonna be one main and important change that I'm gonna be making right now, and that is so far I've been going like this. This has been the plan so far. Like I've been mainly focusing on FullStack project in the early morning, then I've been working on DevOps or maybe Next.js, and this is how I've been going on. The thing is that this Paytm project is being left far behind, so that is why just from tomorrow onwards I'm gonna be actually changing the things. As for the working on the project is concerned, I will be working on it later, but first of all, even before that, let me select it all. Can I select it today? I think so. So ultimately I'm gonna be changing the plan because I have to focus on another thing like this Paytm project more than I actually focus on the Brainly project. So tomorrow 6 to 9 or maybe 5:30 to 9 I will be focusing on this particular project, ultimately DevOps, and I can say right now the thing that I'm working on in the DevOps section, that is Paytm project, so I'm gonna be focusing on that. And after that from 9:30 to 12:30 I'm gonna be focusing on the project that I'm actually working on, and then I can just start the Next.js and Python and all. This can just simply keep going on. By the way, this is how it's gonna go on, and then in the remaining hours Python. Okay, so this is the plan for now. Ultimately I'm changing the priorities right now because I haven't been able to give proper time to this Paytm project, so it's better to give the time to this particular project in the early morning, and the remaining Brainly project will be done or worked on just after that. So this is the thing right now, and as for right now, so I will simply be focusing on Python because at least I should give it 1 hour, and then I'll be simply calling it a day. So what now? First of all, do I have water? I don't have water. So let me do one thing. Let me just take a break for 3 minutes or something. Let me get some water. Then I'll be back and I'll start learning the things about Python. We have to actually solve some of the questions over there. So let's see how that goes. I'll be just back in 3 minutes, and I'll actually start a new life, or let's take a 3 minutes break over here only. Class name, not class name actually, I'm saying class name. Let's take a 3. Even before that I will be back. I have to just get some water for me, that is it. So let's see how long it's gonna take. I'll be back soon. Alright everybody, so let's get started right now. Let me even change the title. We will be actually solving the questions using classes in Python. That's gonna be something interesting today. That by solving questions, I will end up learning the things about Python and all. So let's even do that. And in order to do that, what I can do, Paytm clone, and right now I can say Python and all. This is the topic of today's live going to be. And what am I gonna be doing right here? That is it. Let's go with the project and all. Being hydrated is really important. Let's continue. And the thing I'm gonna be doing, let me get the PDF where I have the questions to solve. Of course, using OOPS in Python. So those questions are gonna be related to Python and all. Just a sec. I'm gonna take a while to just get that thing, and then I'll be going ahead. Over here, mainly the OOPS related questions need to be solved today. I think that was the fourth section or something. Was that the fourth section? I'll have to even check this, but I hope that's it. Yeah, that is it. So what I have to do next, that is solve the assignment. Download it. Alright, so here we have the assignment. Let's continue from here on. And download, double click on it. That's open now. Let's zoom it a bit. Can't I zoom it? Yeah, I can. Okay, so let's go through the first one. That's gonna be related to classes and objects. And let me do one more thing. Like, I can actually turn the chats on right now for at least 50 minutes, because after 50 minutes I will actually be ending the live. So till that time, yeah, chats are gonna be on. What else? Okay, let's keep it on the right side. Just on the right side. This is gonna be on the left side. Something like this. And let's go ahead. So what I can do right now, I have to solve some of the questions, and those questions are gonna be bad. Python fundamentals, where do I have that? This one. Okay, so let's try to answer them. Oh my god, so many terminals are open. Here we are. So what is the first question? The first question is, create a bank account class with attributes account number, owner name and balance. Add methods to deposit, withdraw and check balance. As simple as that. Let's go through it one by one. First of all, create a bank account class. So class is gonna be simple. Bank account is gonna be like this. Bank account. Okay, the class is created with attributes account number, owner number and balance. Okay, it is the thing that is not mentioned over here, that is attributes are gonna be class attributes or the instance attributes. That is not mentioned over here. So we are going to create class attributes. So account number. But the thing is that if I create a class attribute, so I will have to give it the value. That is not really a good way. So let's not create a class attribute. Rather, let's create a constructor. This is how a constructor is created. Again, it will take the self parameter, and it will get a account. Why am I creating instance attributes? Because if I create class attributes, they'll be same for all, and that I don't want. Account number should be different for all the users, and that is why I'm creating this one. Owner name and balance, something like this. Once this is created, what is the next thing? Self dot account number. That's gonna be is equal to account number. Then self dot owner name, that's gonna be equals to owner name, and lastly self dot balance, that's gonna be equals to balance. As simple as that. So ultimately this much we have created. This is not over yet, by the way. Add methods to deposit, withdraw and check balance. First of all, these are instance attributes. I'm not using JavaScript. Instance attributes, and once I have these instance attributes, so I have to create even some methods. First one is gonna be deposit, withdraw and check balance method. These are the ones. So def deposit something, it will take self by default, and it will take the amount that ultimately, what is the amount that I want to deposit. And let's create the methods first of all. This one is done, and the next one is withdraw. So therefore withdraw, again it will take self. Self refers to the instance itself, and how much amount do I want to withdraw, and let's simply pass. And lastly check balance. So check balance, again it will take self, and again it will not take anything. I'll simply be checking the balance, and I'll be passing it. So ultimately this much we have created. Let's write logic inside them. So first of all, deposit. So whenever I'm depositing, so I can say self dot balance that I have plus equals to amount, as simple as that. There's really nothing hard in it, and that is it. I can say print f string, that's gonna be amount deposited successfully in your account, as simple as that. So ultimately I will just send this message that this much amount has been deposited, and withdraw. So I can say amount has been withdrawn from your account, something like that. And I have to withdraw the amount as well. So self dot amount, that's gonna be minus equals to amount. That is it. This is how I'm gonna be going on. Something is wrong. Okay, indentation really matters. Damn, what does damn mean? By the way, good to see you. Karthik, right? Karthike. Wow, what a name. Glad to know that. That's amazing. And the check balance is gonna be print self dot balance, as simple as that. After that, what I can do, I can just simply create the new instance. So bank account, that means person is gonna be equals to, okay, bank account, and I will give it some values. First of all, I will give it the account number 1234, and the owner name is gonna be, let's give it my name. What else? Vipendra. And the balance is gonna be just 100 rupees. I don't have much money. Okay, so what I want to do, first of all, let's check the balance. So p dot check balance, then let's run it actually. Okay, here we are, 100 rupees. Proper message. F string, your balance is this. Now let's write it again. So your balance is 100 what? 100 what? Rupees 100. Write again. Okay, this thing is done. And rupees, because I'm from India, as simple as that. I don't have dollar, I just have rupees. Let's write again. And right now that is done. Your balance is this much. What is the next thing? I want to credit that. So p dot deposit. I wanna deposit 50 rupees, and then I wanna check the balance again. So check balance, run it again. 150 rupees. Then I wanna just even withdraw. So withdraw just 20 rupees, and then I wanna check it again. As simple as that, pretty much easy, nothing hard in it. So what the hell? I wanna withdraw the money, 20 rupees. What is the problem? Withdraw self dot amount. Wow. Self dot balance. Sorry. Balance. This one. Let's run it again. And this time I'm able to withdraw the money, and I have only 130 rupees. Okay, let's continue. The next one is that's gonna be the book. Okay, create a class book with the following attributes: title, author, list of reviews. Add methods to add a new review, count reviews, and display all reviews. Again, should not take lots of time, so let's make it really quick. First of all, class, so that at least today we can get them done. And then gonna create what this is called constructor. Self. What all do I have to have? Title, author, list of reviews. That's crazy. Am I going to have reviews kind of an array? I think so, and that is it. then self dot title is gonna be equals to title, self dot author, self dot, come on here, author is gonna be equal to author, and self dot reviews, they are gonna be equals to vi reviews. So this particular thing is done. What is the next thing? Add okay, I have to add some methods. So first one is gonna be new review. Add a review ultimately. Again it will take self by default, and I'll simply pass it. And guess what? I'll be just simply copying and pasting this stuff right here. So something like this. And what is the next thing? Count reviews. So count reviews, and next display reviews. Gonna be crazy stuff, but okay, we'll be doing it. What can I do? First of all, add review. How will I be adding the review? Very simple. If I want to add the review, that means review means what? Wait. When it comes to review, so review is gonna be an array. Okay, review can have any value. There is a title, there is author of the book, and then the reviews. Title, author, list of reviews. Just a sec. Hi Kahanis, is that your username or something? By the way, hi. I need a what? Just a minute, let me have a look at that. I need developer. You need developer. My budget is 30k. You need developer for what? I mean, for what work? Which work? Are you a shop owner or something? Like, are you the owner of something, or you are just doing something or the other on your own? Plus title or a list of reviews. Okay, what can I do now? The thing is that create a book class. I'm just thinking that author is always going to be the same. So why not make the author the class attribute, and just send the title in the review. Gonna be a good option. I'm just e-commerce. The thing is that I have never worked with anybody in my whole life, so I'm not sure I can be the right person to do it. I don't know, but whatever you think about me. I made the project, that is right, but when it comes to doing a job in a company or something, I've never done that. So probably I may not be the qualified person to do the job right now. Reviews, what can I do? Let's do one thing. Let's make it, as I'm just thinking of doing it, so why not do it? So what I want, that author is always, no, author can be different. Oh, okay. Well, glad to know that. Understood. Okay, what can I do? Reviews are gonna be what can be when it comes to reviews. So reviews, thanks for your time. You're most welcome. Self title, self author in reviews. So self dot reviews, that's gonna be equals to what? Self dot reviews dot push. That's actually gonna be an array. I can push inside that, and I will be pushing what? I will be pushing self dot title. So it's actually gonna be like this. Title is gonna be equals to self. Should it be? Is this going to be a great idea, or there are gonna be just reviews? Let's make it like this. Like, I will be just pushing the reviews. Something is missing. List of reviews. Okay. Add a new review. So over here, I have to just get reviews. Getting confused here. Create a class book with the following attributes: title, author, and list of reviews. Add a method to add a new review. I should be able to add a new review. That will be just a method. The thing is that I will be providing title, I will be providing author. Those things should be different for all. That means reviews should be different. That's okay. I'm okay with this. So this thing I have done over here. So reviews is going to be equals to reviews. Let's make it like this. And what I want, when I'm adding the review, I will actually get the review from here. I'm getting the review from here, and as soon as I got the review, so self.reviews.push and review. something like this. So self.review, I'm actually pushing it inside the reviews. First thing is done. Then count reviews. When it comes to counting the reviews, so print reviews count. I hope that's right. VIEW. So okay, reviews count, that's gonna be equals to self dot reviews that I have dot count should be enough. I think this way we do it. And what I can do that print total number of reviews is what reviews count something like this. Control C, Control V, something like this. So this thing is done. And what else I can do? Display all the reviews. So let's display all the reviews as well. So self dot reviews, here I will get all the reviews. I have to run a for loop. So for review in self dot reviews, what would I do over here? That's gonna be just print the reviews. One more thing, and that's gonna be something like enumerate and using this I will actually get the index as well. So over here I will get the index. If I'm not wrong, I will get two things just because of using this. And once I'm getting the index, so I can say review number index plus 1 is going to be review number 1 is review, something like this, as simple as that. And this will be for all. So I'm displaying all the reviews after, and I'm just counting the reviews and I'm adding the review. I can say print f string review, which review, like this, and I will say self the review that I'm actually getting has been added successfully. Just a little stuff. Ultimately I think I've done it. First of all, should be fine. I need to provide it title, I need to provide it the author, and the reviews are going to be empty initially, and then slowly I will give them the reviews. Should be fine. Let's check this thing out. Book. So B is equal to book. Book will have title. Title is suppose English book, and author is gonna be Unstoppable. I have also made a book. And the reviews are gonna be just an empty array, something like this for now. What is the next step? Let's simply b.display the reviews. Let's call this method, and what I'm getting nothing. Is this the expected result? Yeah, this is the expected result. And what I can say, I think I can write else statement. I hope it works. Pass else. Does it work here? I just hope it works. No reviews found. Not like this. But I can say that do this. Quite tricky. Don't get confused because of this. But it will be confusing. Let's not go with that. What I want to do over here, if self.reviews and there are none, so it's not like that. So if not self of reviews, then what I want to do, if there are no reviews, I will print something, and if there are reviews, so I will do something else statement. I will be doing this, and let's keep it inside that like this, and print no reviews found. As simple as that. Let's try this thing. Let's run it again, and this time I'm getting no reviews found. And let's try to add some reviews. So b dot add a review, and that's gonna be really good book. I have added the review, then I will try to display the review again, and let's try to run it again. Well, I'm getting a mistake, I'm getting here, and that is there is nothing like push here. Haha, we do not have this push. Where am I doing that? We have add, no, we don't even have, we have append. We have push in JavaScript. Let's run it again. Self.review, what is the problem? Reviews.append, self.review. Okay, we don't even have is this okay to make an array? Like this is the list over here, and once this is a list, I'm actually giving it a list, and once it has the list, I'm actually calling what? I'm actually calling self.reviews.append, and I'm simply appending. Wow, amazing, mister. What a great job you have done. Let's try it again. Index plus 1. This does not work, or what? Index plus 1. The index that I actually get. When I display them over here, this is where I am getting this thing done. How about doing it like this? I'm not sure, but let's check this thing out now. Okay, question is how to get index in for loop in Python. I think we use enumerate over there. Definitely we use that, but how it is used? Index comes first and then the fruit comes second. Is that so? Sorry for that. Count fruit. I was just doing it opposite. What should be over here? First of all, index is going to come, so index, and then the name is gonna become, that is the review. Just the opposite way. I hope I'm not gonna be getting the error right now. And guess what? Really good book. Let's add one more review, and that's gonna be really marvelous work. Let's try it again, and this time I'm getting 2 reviews. Too bad. So ultimately I'm getting 2 reviews. What else can I do? I can count the reviews. So let's count the reviews as well. So db.count reviews, something like this, and this should be it. Let's run it. Well, here I'm getting the error. What is there over here? Count review, self.reviews .count. Am I crazy? Seriously? Length of this. Okay, so the total number of reviews are 2. The reviews are here, and these are the reviews that I have added by myself. And by the way, spelling is wrong over there, so reviews reviews, something like that. So ultimately this thing we have done. What is the next thing that we can do? Next thing is that encapsulation. So far we have solved the problem with using classes and objects. Let's go with encapsulation. Gonna be great. Get rid of this thing. Create a class student with the private attributes name, roll number, and marks. Private. Okay. Provide getter and setter methods to validate with validation. For example, marks cannot be negative, roll number has to be 1 to 100, name cannot be empty. Wow. So class gonna be student. Oh wow, is student, something like this. Once the class is created, what is the next thing that we have to do? Create a class with the private attributes name, roll number, and marks. So I will be initializing a function or creating a constructor over here, and again it will take self, it will take name, it will take roll number, and it will take marks, something like this. These many values it's going to take. And what do I have to do? Okay, let's initialize the value. By the way, they are going to be the private. So what can I do? That self dot again, if I want to make the private side, I'll have to use double underscores, and that's going to be equals to name. Similarly, self dot double underscore roll number, that's going to be equals to roll number, and self dot double equals to marks, that's gonna be equals to marks. So this much I have done so far. Then I have to provide getters and setters. So therefore that's gonna be get methods with provide getter and setter methods with validation. Marks cannot be negative, roll number this. Create a class with the private values, provide getters and setters. So getters for getting the values. So get info, as simple as that. It will take of course self, and if provide getter and setters methods with validation. Okay, let's go on. I hope it's gonna be right. What I have to do, that I have to even check. So self dot over here I don't need to check. When I'm setting at that time I need to check it, as simple as that. So what I can do right here, f string your name is or better name, that's gonna be equals to name, then role, one more thing, that's gonna be backspace n, it should work, backspace n, and then gonna be the roll number, that's gonna be equals to roll number, something like this. By the way, I need to use self over here, that is for sure. Self dot roll number. Similarly over here, just not the name, the other self dot name should be fine. And last but not the least, we have to have backslash n first of all for the next line, and marks are gonna be equals to self dot marks, marks. What is the problem? Is there anything wrong with this? Don't really think so, but let's see. Expected, yeah. Why am I using if over here? Rather print should be used. So this is the thing, and the thing is that let's set the values. So while setting the values, I am gonna be making sure some things that do take place. So what can I do? And even before that, I will be just printing something, and then I'll be getting it done. But never mind, a validation will be done there for sure. Right now I need to create a setter. So set info, whatever, just making it like that. Set info, again it will take self, it may take name as well, it may take roll number as well, and it can take marks as well. Again, the logic is gonna be same for this as well as for the constructor as well as for this particular method. So first of all, I wanna check that if name, how can I check it? If not a name, or let's check this thing first of all. Python and not string false, right? Not empty string true. Yeah. So exit it. That's what I want. So if not name, or what is the next thing? Roll number should be 1 to 100, or roll number is greater than or equals to 1, and roll number is less than or equals to 100, something roll number, something like that. Or one more thing, but in this way I will not be able to render the message conditionally. That's gonna be crazy. What can I do? Let's use a switch statement, but even that's not gonna be right. Else if statement is going to be okay, but that statement is going to be for 3 things. Marks cannot be negative, roll number. Okay, let's check it together and I will give it that message. Or I can do it better. The better thing can be like checking for all of them separately, so that I can give them the separate message. So print, what will I say, name cannot be empty. This is the first message for this particular condition. Then elif, if there is name. Second, if I have to check them separately. If what is the thing, roll number is less than, greater than or equals to no. If not roll number greater than or equals to 1 and not roll number less than or equals to 100. If that is not, then what will I be doing? I will be printing something like roll number has to be between 1 and 100. So roll number has to be between 1 and 100. This is the second condition for just for checking things. And lastly, if marks can never be negative. So if not the marks that I'm getting greater than or equals to 0, somebody can have 0 marks as well. So marks, if that is there, come on here, they are not actually following this particular condition, then what will I be doing? Print marks cannot, name cannot be empty, marks cannot be negative number, marks cannot be negative. This much I've done, pretty much simple. And what is the next thing that I have to do? The next thing that I have to do, that is I have to set the values. So for setting the values, what will I do? For setting the values, just a sec. Self dot these things are okay, but the thing is that if any one of these if statement gets true, in that case I don't have to save the values, rather I have to just send a message. Is wrong input. That's gonna be false initially. Crazy stuff, but okay. And then over here, and over here. Is wrong input is gonna be true. Once the wrong input is true, then I will be checking. If not is a wrong input, then only, oh come on here, not using JavaScript. If not wrong input, that means if that is not a wrong input, in that case I have to just simply go ahead and I have to say self dot again the same thing, I have to copy and paste. So for copying and pasting things, let's get this thing from here and let's paste it over here, and something like this. So this is how I'm getting it done. And one more thing, I can actually create a static function right here, because I'm just repeating, I'll have to repeat the same thing for others as well. So def save info, not set info, just save info. It will take self, and it will take the values. By the way, this is not its on self, rather I will be sending it. So the values are gonna be what? The values are gonna be name, roll number and marks. So roll number and marks, something like this. By the way, I will be making it a static method rather. So this is gonna be a static method, static method. The thing is that this self is not coming from the instance, rather this is just a parameter over here, not the real self. So keep this particular thing in mind. And what do I need to do next? That is this particular thing, copy everything from here, cut it, enter pass over here, and paste it over here. So this particular method is going to be repeated, and over here I have to just simply call what can I do? Self dot save info. Yeah, using self I can call that. So self dot save info, and that's gonna be taking what? That's gonna be taking self itself, and it will take roll number, it will take a name, it will take a roll number, and it will take marks at the end. So this is how I'm saving them. Same thing I have to do over here. Instead of doing this much, I will just simply call self dot save info. I will give it self. I will give it a name. I will give it a roll number. I will give it roll number, and I'll give it the marks. So ultimately, I'm reusing the code. Get info is here. This is the just getter. This is the getter function. Again, these are functions are the instance methods, and this is the setter method, and this is the again static method that I have created. Now it's time to check it. So what I'll be doing first of all, let's create a student. So student is equal to student, and I will give it the name. Name is gonna be Vipendra, just for now. Vipendra, and roll number is gonna be suppose 1 2 3, and marks are gonna be just suppose 80 or something. And s dot, what methods do I have? Get info. So first of all, let's try to get info. And what have I done? Close this, exit it, and I can just simply run it right now. So I'm getting that name is Vipendra. Oh, some extra space I'm getting. How can I remove that? This is the extra space that I'm giving. I had better just not give this space over here. This is how it's gonna be going on. And let's check it now. So name is Vipendra, roll number is this, marks is 80. What if I don't give any roll number? Sorry, I don't give any name, just empty string. What will happen in that case? I'm getting, oh. What do you think that get info, s dot get info, f name, self dot name, student object has no attributes, name. It's simply saying that it didn't get any name value. Okay, but it doesn't, it shouldn't throw the error. F. The thing is that if I do not give it any value, it throws the error, and that I don't want. But never mind. So let's make it Vipendra. If I give it any negative number, like I think this is the roll number, right? So if I give it 0, then what will happen? The roll number is 0. Interesting. Why is this happening? I'm giving it the value in the constructor. I'm calling this save info over here. This is the static method, gets all these things. And first of all, it checks if not name. Get info. I'm getting the info. Okay. The thing is that while saving it, I should be getting the error. Even forget about like printing it over here. If I give it 0, so it should come here, and I have to print it. So print roll number. Let's try to print this thing right now. I'm already getting is 0. So what I want over here, already I have the check for it. If not roll number greater than or equals to 0, and if not roll number, oh come on, 100, not 1000 but 100. Let's try it again, and I'm getting 0 this time. This particular thing is not printing. Why? Print I whatever. That's not printing. If not name, if there is no name, then what will you do? It will run. But name already exists. If there is the roll number is greater than this, and not roll number less than 100. Even better, roll number is less than 0, less than or equals to 0, and that's the same thing, doesn't matter how I wrote, right? Greater than just 100 should not be problematic thing. 0, why am I getting that? Let's do one thing, copy it and paste it over here, print, and let's check the value of it. That is false. Why? because my roll number is 0, or if it follows any one of the situations, in that case it should run. And roll number has, okay, now I'm getting that. If I'm getting it right now, so what was wrong with the previous statement that I had, previous condition? I had the condition like this, right, like this. So what was wrong with this? Not roll number greater than equals to 1. So if roll number is not greater than equals to 1, or not roll number less than equals to this, then I have to throw this here. It should be fine. Even let's check it right now. Print this particular value. Close this. False I'm getting, and that is why it was not being printed. But if it is 0, then why am I getting false? 0 is not greater than equals to this. That is true. That means this is false. Let's remove not from here and just simply check that if it is greater than this and this, then it should just simply go on. Still false because it is 0. Now it should be alright. Keep it inside this and use just only one not operator like this, and then it should be fine. And let's do it again. And right now I'm getting true. The thing is that I was checking, making them negative both the ways, like this. First of all, I was checking negative value for this, and then this not negative values, but this opposite value, not value, but I should be checking them together. So if that is false, I have to make them true. As simple as that. So what can I do right now? That's pretty simple thing. Okay, this particular thing needs to be replaced, and let's check if I actually give it 0 this time, what happens. I'm simply getting that roll number has B. What kind of grammar is this? Roll number has to be. Okay, so has to be between 1 and 100. So this particular thing is done. As for this thing, the name, not name. Let's even get the value of the name. CLG, not CLG, printer. I'm in the habit of using CLG. Print is gonna be just name. Let's check this thing out right now. Let's simply set, come on, the value should be just an empty string. And no, name cannot be empty. Wow, I'm getting that. Amazing. If name cannot be empty, so there is no value by default. So I can say one thing. Then the name will not have any value. That's right. Then that means I cannot get that. Yeah. So while getting that, I'll have to check whether the value exists or not. And I can say only one thing, that if name it does not have any value, in that case what will I do? If that is just a simply empty string, or that is nothing actually in that sense. So whenever I'm printing the value, at that time there is name does not have any value. So in that case I can say if does not have any value, in that case if it has the value self dot name, print this. Else, in else case, print no name found. Is this even a better idea? Like, can't I do something else? No name found. Will this even work? Like, how about uncommenting this particular thing over here? I will definitely get the error that is expected. So if there is no name, that means there is no user, and if there is no user, I don't even have to save that. And once I'm not saving that one, I can simply do one thing, that is there try catch block here? I hope there is try catch block in Python. Try don't know if that exists or not. So this is how it's gonna be going on, and what I have to check that if the name value does not exist, then what? I have to send in the default value. By default, if there is no name, I will be saving the name, and I'll simply say that no user exists. So when it comes to name, just quite tricky thing. I will still save it. Self dot name is gonna be no user, something like that. And what about here? I'll simply be checking that if self dot name, name, that's triple equals to just double equals to no user. In that case, I have to just print no user found, and in else case, I'll just simply get this particular thing. I'm not using, come on yaar, I'm not using JavaScript. Print no user found. In else case, I will print this. So this much I've done. By the way, this was quite trickery, but let's see. Check if this works. Right. And what I'm getting, I'm not getting anything right now. So let's try to get the info. And what I'm getting, that no user found. That's the amazing thing. Okay. And the most important thing that I have to check over here, that's gonna be this. If self dot name, that means if the value of it, just name, I'm not, don't even wanna check name, just not name. If that name is not here, in that case I have to even return it. So instead of checking it there, I can check it here. If there is no name, so at the end of the day, just simply return from here. Simple, should be fine. Let's check it now. I'm just simply, name cannot be empty and no user found. I'm just simply getting this particular thing because I'm getting that too. So ultimately this works fine. So this particular thing is done. And if I actually give it proper name like Vipendra, and marks are gonna be just 0. So let's check this thing right now. Wow, what am I getting? Self dot name no user. What is the problem? Student objects have no attributes. I'm already giving the value name Vipendra, but the thing is that I'm returning from here. Got it? What can I do? If there is no name, in that case I'm returning. So whenever let's see, right, one more time. Where am I getting the line number 7? Over here, self.name is equal to no user. It's saying that there is no self.name. Am I not the saving the value over here? Is wrong input. Yeah, if it is wrong input, then how can I even get that? That is true. So instead of returning from here, I have to save the name every time. Wait. The problem is that if any value is wrong, then ultimately this will be true, and if this gets true, then ultimately I'm not saving any value. And this only happens when there is no value. Great. So what I want to do, under any condition, let's remove this particular part from here. Like, it's no use to have it over here. I can just simply say that whenever I'm getting any kind of error, I'm just simply returning from there like this, and I'm just simply removing this particular condition that I had over here, and something like this. Let's see whether it works or not right now. Getting the error because of course I need to get rid of that. I'm always saving the names. That means I don't even need to check this thing right now. But if I'm returning, then I have to check that thing anyhow. So if not name, let's get rid of this thing, get rid of this thing, and get rid of this thing. If there is no name, then what will happen? This name will be set, and that's okay. But the thing is that over here it will still be, I will still need this particular thing over here. This dot name no user. But the thing is that if it simply returns, then no value is set, that is right. And if no value is set, then that's problematic. So if there is no name, I have to return. If there is except name, I have to just simply continue with the things. Let's try to write again. Okay, so roll number has to be between 1 to 111. Name is Vipendra. Roll number is this. Okay, marks are 80. Okay, this is fine. The fact is that I even need to check whether they exist or not. And let's try to get the user, by the way. I'm getting the user and I'm getting this particular result. Okay, because I'm providing the right name. So I'm providing the right name, then I have to check it in that. And the thing is that under any condition, it should not run. Even if I just get a single error. Elif. If I don't get any error, at the end of the day, I will be running it. Let's see what happens this time now. Okay, so of course I have the error, so that means it will not run. And if it is actually not running, then there is no value. And if there is no value, then what will happen? If there is no name, can I give it a default value? Is it any way possible? I'm initializing it over here, and if I don't give any value, then over here, whenever I'm just trying to set it, by default I'll give it no user, and if there are no errors, then that name will be set again, and then let's see what happens. One more thing, by the way, I already have the user over here, so it will always be there. No user not found. What the hell? What time is it? 10:01. This particular, am I making it complicated? The only problem is that I have to take care of this name. Come on. So roll number has to be this. No user found. That's amazing. Okay, but next I can even check for the name. So let's check this particular thing for the name now. Let's make it 100, whatever. Let's make the name empty and try it now. So name cannot be empty. No user found. That's amazing. That's what I wanted. And let's make it Vipendra right now. And let's make it just what? Maybe -1 or something. That's just the roll number. and roll number has to be between this, no user found. That's amazing. What else can I do? Let's make it just 10 for now, and let's make it 101. It is still gonna be right, I think. Yeah, I'm getting the user right now. This is the user that I have, and if I make it negative, like minus 101, then I'm getting that no user found because marks cannot be empty. Well, finally it's done. It really took a lot of time to just figure the things out well, but ultimately we have done it. And not only that, I should be able to set the value separately. So right now I'm just simply getting the info, then s dot if I just set the value, and set info is gonna be, again the name is still gonna be Vipendra. I will not be changing that. The roll number is gonna be just suppose 1 or 0, and marks are gonna be suppose 50 or something. That doesn't really matter. S dot get info. Let's try to get the info. Let's see whether we are able to do that. Firstly, marks cannot be negative. At first we got. First of all, let's get rid of this particular thing. Okay, firstly marks cannot be negative, so the first one failed, and the second one is saying that roll number has to be between 1 and 100. That's right. Let's make the marks positive, and then I will get the error in the second one. So this thing is done, and then it's saying that no user found, because of course. What is of course? The thing is that when I'm setting the value in this particular case, at that time I need to have some different checks. This check is good for the constructor, but this check is not good for setting the value, because when I set the value, what I have to check that these are the values that I'm getting, but even before that I have to check whether that particular value may already have some value. So that is what I have to check. How can I do that? And if all that thing already has the value, so in that case let's make a class attribute, and that's gonna be is setting. That's crazy stuff that I'm doing over here. That's gonna be false by default. I don't know why when I'm doing it. I know why I'm doing it. I wanna check it. It's not like that. So class name I have student. So student dot is setting. That's gonna be true over here. And once I have its true value over here, what will I be doing? I'll simply check that I have to set it only when if not a student dot is setting. In that case I have to do this, as simple as that. By default that is false, so let's check this thing out right now. So what I'm saying that Vipendra this roll number has to be this, and then again I'm getting the same number. Great job. Ultimately we have done this. If I actually make the roll number between 1 to, like if I actually make it suppose 60 or something, just try it now, and I'm actually getting 60. So right now this is the first get info, this is the second time when I got the info, and this is how actually we are getting the things done. Function overriding, okay, so we have done so far. Even encapsulation thing, this is actually working pretty well. So we have actually solved 3 questions in this much time. It's gonna be taking more time, so the remaining questions are gonna be solved tomorrow. But one thing is clear, that this has been quite a big problem, but ultimately we've solved it. From tomorrow onwards, the first priority is gonna be working on the Paytm app. So in the early morning, right around 6 o'clock or something, I will start working on that. Then the second priority is the Brainly app. Third priority is the Next.js learning, and fourth priority is the Python. So this is how the priorities are set right now. I hope I'll be able to do whatever I'm just planning right now, but let's see how it's gonna be going on. that was it for now. Even I have a sore throat right now, so can't really speak. Good night, take care, and see ya.